Hi guys, darthdevious here, and we got a quick little review. Brian wanted to show off the toy he got today. Who is this, Brian?
Batman.
Yeah, Batman. Where'd you get him?
McDonald's.
McDonald's. Was he in your Happy Meal?
Yeah.
Yeah? You like him?
Yeah.
Yeah, what does he do? Can you show the people what he does?
Yeah.
Look at that, his arms went up. And he's holding his cape. Does that look like he's gonna fly?
Yeah.
Yeah? Think he can fly?
Yeah.
Yeah? Let's see. Let's take a good look at him. The gimmick's activated by this little bat symbol there. He's got his yellow belt, right? Huh? You like Batman?
Yeah.
Yeah? Is this your favorite character right now?
Yeah.
Yeah? Till we find something else for you, right? So, you have anything else to say to anybody?
Yeah.
What are you gonna say about Batman? Is he cool?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Can you say thank you to everybody for watching? You said no, you can't say thank you? Can you say bye?
Yeah.
Yeah, say bye.
Bye.
Okay, bye-bye. Thank you.